10 ways to save money easily. Everyone likes having nice things such as branded clothing, shoes, cars, as we should treat ourselves for working hard, because why not? It is nice to enjoy life, have fun, but when you have spent all your monthly earnings on your entertainment, or buying stuff you don't really need, you start to feel guilt and have to wait next month until you get paid to buy something you really need. For example, if your car's broken down and needs a new gearbox, you would regret spending your money on pointless things and wish you really didn't buy or spend money on things you didn't need. Saving at least some amount of your earning is important so you can easily accommodate unexpected setbacks or challenges that may occur. Here are a few of the reasons why saving money is crucial. Emergency cushion. Life is unpredictable, and having a financial safety net can help handle unexpected expenses like car repairs, medical emergencies, or job loss without going into debt. Future planning. Saving money is a critical part of planning for future needs or goals, such as buying a house, starting a business, or pursuing higher education. Retirement. To maintain your lifestyle after you stop working, you'll need savings. The earlier you start saving for your retirement, the more money you will have in your pot. Financial independence. Savings can provide a sense of security and independence, reducing stress and giving you more freedom to make choices in your life. Reduces debt. The more you save, the less you need to borrow. This can save you from the spiral of interest and debt. In essence, saving money is about ensuring stability, security, and financial freedom for your present and future self. Here are 10 ways you can build up your savings. 1. Create a budget. When creating a budget, it's crucial to differentiate between your fixed and variable expenses. Fixed expenses include rent or mortgage, car payments, insurance, and any other bills that tend to stay the same from month to month. Variable expenses include groceries, gas, entertainment, eating out, and other costs that might change. In your budget, also account for occasional expenses like gifts or car maintenance. Use online budgeting tools or apps to keep track of your spending and make adjustments as needed. Reviewing your budget monthly allows you to adapt to any changes in your financial situation and keeps your spending habits in check. 2. Reduce unnecessary spending. One method to reduce spending is the 30-day rule, where you wait 30 days to decide on a purchase. Often after a month has passed, the urge to buy has gone, or you realize you don't need the item. Reducing unnecessary spending also involves being conscious of small spending. It's easy to dismiss a $5 coffee, but when you calculate the monthly and then yearly expense, it adds up. 3. Plan meals and cook at home. When planning meals, base your menu on what's on sale at your local grocery store, or what you already have in your pantry. Cooking at home not only saves money, but allows for leftovers, which can be used for lunches or busy nights when you don't have time to cook. Learn to use all parts of food. For example, vegetable scraps can be used to make broths, and overripe fruits can be used in baking. 4. Use public transportation or carpooling. If your city has a reliable public transportation system, this can be a cost-effective alternative to owning and maintaining a vehicle. If public transportation isn't available, consider setting up a carpool with colleagues. Carpooling decreases each individual's costs on fuel, parking, and car maintenance. 5. Cut down on utilities. To save on utilities, try to be more energy efficient. In addition to turning off lights when you leave a room, consider using energy-saving bulbs. Regulate your thermostat. A few degrees higher in the summer or lower in the winter can lead to substantial savings. Consider water-saving measures like installing low-flow shower heads and toilets, fixing any leaks promptly, and using rainwater for your garden. 6. Buy in bulk. Purchasing in bulk can lead to significant savings, especially for non-perishable items. However, it's crucial to compare the unit price to ensure you're getting the best deal. Be mindful of storage. Buying in bulk doesn't save money if your purchase spoils before you can use it. 7. Shop smart. Consider subscribing to newsletters from your favorite stores to get notified about sales. Price comparison apps can also help you find the best deal. For clothing, consider thrift stores or consignment stores, especially for kids who quickly outgrow their clothes. 8. Automatic savings. When you automate your savings, the money gets transferred before you have a chance to spend it. Plus, it helps create a habit of saving. Consider setting up a separate savings account for specific goals like vacations, a new car, or home repairs, so you're not tempted to dip into these savings for everyday expenses. 9. Negotiate bills. When negotiating bills, it can be helpful to do some research first. Find out what other companies are offering and use that information when talking to your current providers. If negotiating isn't your thing, consider using a service that negotiates on your behalf. These services typically charge a percentage of your savings. 10. Invest. A good rule of thumb for investing is the earlier, the better. Even small amounts can grow substantially over time due to compound interest. Start by learning about different investment options and considering your risk tolerance and investment time frame. Investments can range from conservative options like bonds and mutual funds to riskier options like stocks. Always consult with a financial advisor to ensure you're making the best decision for your financial situation. Remember, saving money is often about changing habits, and that can take time. Be patient and easy on yourself, and celebrate your progress, and enjoy the journey. I hope you have learnt something from this video, which will help you save money. Please subscribe and like this video, and stay tuned.